TV time!
Sold one right here until midnight. That one right there for Gage, Jefferson, Lancaster, and Saline. That's until midnight. For 70-mile-per-hour winds, and then the extension on that. AM. That will cause damage to tree branches, so tomorrow morning you could see a little bit of tree branches on the roads, a little bit of cleanup. This goes for Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Oto, Saunders, Cass, and Sarpy County until 12:15.
Hey Houston, EAS! I think the severe weather update is over.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, Oto County in southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County, southeastern Saline County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Saunders County, Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 12 p.m.
Yeah, the computer is a computer update on channel 8. This is a computer update.
Weather instrument measurement. Impact. Expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Omaha, Council Bluffs, Bellevue, Pacific, Ralston.
Because this is completely scratched up on this iPad Mini 1.
In Douglas around 12:05 p.m. For your protection, you will be secure your room on the fourth floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Wednesday of the following.
Here we go! The tones are like sounds like download on the sounds.
The National Weather Service.
Yep, the tones are make the download the sounds.
It's in far southeast
Sweet County in southwestern Iowa, Sarpy County, Lancaster County in southeastern
Again,
Nebraska.
from my county again. Three times in my county.
We got a 58-mile-per-hour wind gust recording east of Lincoln.
Just to kind of keep on comparison. This is just green inbound toward the radar itself. It's point, so it sweeps past Washington, so that area.
So we're starting. Work it out.
Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, Oto County in southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Saunders.
And this first severe thunderstorm warning should expire here in the next 2 minutes.
Expires in 2
Still
minutes.
This one.
Oh my god, that wind and raining outside. And raining outside. The wind damage. The wind damage, cat. Orange cat.
Storms in the wind. They've gone through Lincoln. Just like forecast models said.
heating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Wednesday. Following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Douglas, Gage, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, and Saunders, and the following counties in Iowa: Mills and Potawatomi.
Mills and Potawatomi, Iowa.
If you have any damage at your place or anywhere that you see, make sure to send it into the now.
Alright, that's it for the iPad Mini 1 take of the severe thunderstorm warning.
To observe some damage reports.
So that being said,
The
That's it.
city.
that's it for the
For the video.
I just left your office.
Let's see, we got a 51 mile
Take it
per
a
hour
kiss,
winds at
goodnight.
the airport. So winds are starting to calm just a little.
that was
but
the
with these rains and
that was the
storms,
severe thunderstorm warning of my county,
they're constant.
which is aka Lancaster.
Lancaster was right.
Now turn that off.
So we're gonna end the live stream here, and we're gonna do pull and playlist. So that being said,
That's it.
And we're
that's
gonna,
it.
rain
Say bye on the iPad Mini 1.
Bye-bye.
died down.
Severe thunderstorm warning again.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Oh, that's still the weather radio's still off again. It's locked.
Feeling some winds.
Still, that's weather radio's still going off again, just like back in June. Again, just like they did in June. This is compilation number 22. Listen to the warning sound in the speaker. See that? That's the warning test sound. See, that did turn the power off.
I turned the alarm.
The alarm off. The power button.
70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: weather instrument measurement.
And here we go on the radio.
Southeastern Nebraska, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 1 a.m.
Until 1 o'clock in the morning.
12 a.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bridget to 4 miles southeast of Cedar Creek to 3 miles southeast of Firth, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: weather instrument measurement. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Officer force these: Plattsburgh, Syracuse, Trainer, Shelby, Lyman, Sterling.
Four times.
Flurry around 12:20 a.m. Glenwood, Adams, includes the following highway around 12:25 a.m. In Dunbar around State 80 in Iowa between
Oh yeah, it's three tornadoes.
severe thunderstorms include Melbourne, Carson, Walnut. Severe thunderstorm watch number 51, Nebraska City, Tabor, Talmadge, Henderson.
Oh no. 3 tornadoes. That's not a good sign.
This includes
Not a good at all.
Interstate 29 between mile markers 7 into 71. Interstate 80 in Iowa,
Oh no.
including large-scale and damage rains in and close to the watch.
Paul can't read it, Paul.
While severe weather
Fail.
be imminent,
Here we go.
radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Thunderstorm watch number 516
Nice little steady rainfall. Downtown.
Oh, my battery's still dying. Because still recording.
That's going to be a factor. Haven't seen any flood advisories in the area. Could see some as we go into the next hour. Parts out west, where they've been seeing quite a bit of rainfall already.
This is compilation number 23.
It's just looking
Here we go, Houston Hall, EAS. Just like the monthly test.
Between 2,500 and 3,000 folks without power around the Lincoln Metro and some other locations as well. We'll stick around for another couple of hours and make sure everything is going to end up safe. So please keep it tuned to 1011. We'll keep you updated.
Opportunities now to learning things that I never knew.
In southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County, eastern Saline County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Saunders County, northeastern
Sterling, Pacific Junction, and Harvey around 12:30 a.m. Glenwood, Silver City, Severe around 12:25 a.m. Carson, Oakland, Hancock, and Dunbar around 12:30 a.m. City, Tabor. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Melvin, Carson, Walnut, Cook, Caledonia,
Oh no.
This includes the following highways: Henderson and Hastings, 3-mile markers, Signal and Kenton Mills County Fairgrounds.
Oh
Seek
no.
safe shelter immediately.
Oh no.
The following highways: Interstate 29.
Epic fail. Can't read Paul. You can't read it. Epic fail. Bad reading.
around 12:20 a.m. Glenwood, Hancock, Silver City, around 12:25
So this is for
The rest of you, right?
Fremont, Mills, Potawatomi, and then Nebraska, Sarpy,
Yeah.
Lancaster, Johnson, Odo, Douglas, Saline, Saunders, Page.
I don't see the EAS on the spectrum.
Bravo, wind gusts.
Okay. Good night.
I don't see it. What the fuck?
Well,
What the faggot?
there is no EAS on spectrum.
Or
Oh,
here we oh. Yes, it do. Finally. There it is. You found the banner.
just a lightning.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, Mills County in southwestern Iowa, Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, Sarpy County, southeastern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, Douglas County, eastern Saline County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Saunders County, northeastern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 1 a.m. At 12:12 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line of Cedar Creek to 3 miles southeast of Firth, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: Weather Instrument Measurement. Impact: expects
Yeah,
considerable tree
the Paul
damage.
is can't read it Paul
Damage is
voice.
likely to mobile homes.
Why
roofs,
still can't
and
read Paul
outbuildings.
voice is because
Severe
Paul
thunderstorms will be
read is
near
too much.
Air Force Base, Plattsmouth,
Breed
Syracuse,
tornadoes.
Trainer, Shelby, Lyman,
That
Adams,
breed
Sterling,
tornadoes.
Pacific Junction, and Murray around 12:20 a.m. Glenwood, Attica, Silver City,
hell
and Union
that's
around
so
12:25 a.m. Oakland, Hancock, and Dunbar around 12:30 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Malvern, Carson, Walnut, Cook, Macedonia, Lorton, Nebraska City, Tabor, Talmadge, Henderson, and Hastings. People attending Mills County Fairgrounds should seek safe shelter immediately.
Oh my god.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 7 and 71. Interstate 80 in Iowa between...
Now did that say oh no?
Okay.
That say oh
Oh no.
brief tornadoes.
Tornadoes, okay.
That's not a good.
That's not a good thing, okay.
That's not a good sign.
Okay. Now I'll report back on YouTube, okay?
Yeah, with Rusty
Right.
Dawkins.
Oh, Okay.